Primosome complex is formed of these three main kinds of here. Primosome complex is formed of double-stranded DNA that is working with the DNA B, DNA C. The main function of DNA A is to find the origin of replication. Next is DNA topoisomerase, which is going to unwind the constraints present in the double helical structure of DNA. Next, DNA B, which is also known as helicase, it is going to open up the double strand into a single strand structure. It is functioning with the help of DNA C and with the consumption of ATP. The opening process with the assistance of DNA A and C will form two single-stranded structures. Single-stranded binding protein is shown over here. They are in the tetrameric form and they form take part in the primosome complex. What are the main function of single-stranded binding protein? That maintains the single-stranded DNA template and it prevents the double-stranded DNA formation. Also protects the vulnerable single-stranded DNA from nucleases. Those nucleases which can digest the single or double stranded of stranded DNA, they are prevented by these tetrameric single-stranded binding proteins, and they are going to act in a cooperative manner. And once the one tetramer is attached, it will tend to enhance the binding of other single-stranded binding proteins. Here the primase whose function is to form the RNA primer, which acts as a template for the newly synthesizing DNA. Two types of strands they are being found. One is the leading strand on the template having the 3' end here. The daughter strand is synthesized. This daughter strand is synthesized continuously from 5' to 3' direction. It is always towards the direction of unwinding of the double helical structure, and it is away from the opening of the replication fork. Next comes the Okazaki fragments. Many DNA fragments are synthesized sequentially on the DNA template strand having the 5' end. These DNA fragments are called Okazaki fragments. They are mostly from 1000 to 2000 nucleotide long for prokaryotes and 100 to 150 nucleotides long in the eukaryotes. The daughter strand consisting of Okazaki fragments is called the lagging strand. Here in this picture, I have expressed both Okazaki fragments, which are the short fragments starting from a short RNA primer and then further short fragment of Okazaki fragment that is following the original template of the parental DNA, while these are the long and continuous strands which are called the leading strands. So Okazaki fragments, when they are joined together, they are forming a lagging strand, while the leading strands are those which are in a continuous manner and their synthesis is from 5' to 3'. This is another example of that leading and lagging strand synthesis. This is the parental DNA and this is the direction of fork movement. These are the small fragments of Okazaki which are being synthesized. Here it is shown that two fragments are joined with the help of enzyme ligase, and after that their RNA primer is removed. These lagging strands Small Okazaki fragments, when they are joined together, they form lagging strand. And this red color box that shows the short RNA primer, while the leading strand is continuous and its direction is towards the replication fork. DNA polymerase. Mainly it is responsible for proofreading and filling the gaps and also the repairing the DNA. Main function of polymerase is to polymerize the nucleotide units into a polynucleotide chain. Here the green colored whole enzyme polymerase is shown. It is uh, bringing up of new nucleotide into the chain that is attached with the help of DNA polymerase. An incoming nucleoside triphosphate is correctly matched to its complementary base on the DNA template and is added as the monophosphate to the growing DNA chain. Here you can see the incoming nucleoside is going to attach here with the help of this green colored DNA polymerase. This enzyme advances together by the binding of the new nucleotide towards the chain, and it also binds it towards the complementary strand by removing of pyrophosphate. Here you can see triphosphate was brought here and the pyrophosphate is removed, while single phosphate moiety is used in the phosphodiester bond. What is the proofreading? You know that whenever any document is being formed, it is proofread by other person also to avoid any kind of error or to avoid any kind of mismatch. So here in DNA synthesis, DNA polymerase mispairs a nucleotide with the template. If DNA polymerase mispairs a nucleotide with the template, it uses its 3' to 5' exonuclease activity to excise the mismatched nucleotide. Here 5' to 3' is the synthesizing ability, while what is the 3' to 5' is the exonuclease activity, in which it is going to excise one mismatched nucleotide from the sequence and again synthesize further with the 5' to 3' activity.